Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice drink. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 cup of uncooked rice, 4 cups of water, a blender, a fine mesh strainer, and a saucepan. For extra flavor, consider adding a cinnamon stick, a splash of vanilla extract, or a touch of your favorite sweetener. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring you can quickly move to the next step. Now, let's prepare the rice. Begin by rinsing 1 cup of rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch. Next, place the clean rice in a bowl with 2 cups of fresh water and let it soak for a minimum of 2 hours or even overnight. After soaking, transfer the rice and its soaking water into a blender. Blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Once blended, it's time to strain. Pour the rice mixture through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth into a saucepan. Use a spoon to press down on the solids, ensuring you extract every drop of liquid. Discard the remaining rice pulp. Now, place the saucepan on your stovetop over medium-low heat. Stir the liquid continuously for about 10 to 15 minutes until it thickens slightly and becomes warm, but do not let it boil. Finally, let's add some flavor and prepare for serving. While the rice drink is still warm, stir in your preferred sweetener, such as 2 tablespoons of sugar or maple syrup, and any flavorings like 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a pinch of cinnamon. Mix everything thoroughly until dissolved. Allow the drink to cool completely, then transfer it to a pitcher and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Serve chilled and enjoy your homemade rice drink.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.